Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power brakes, child safety locks, clock, trip odometer, trip computer, electronic brake force distribution, tachometer, cargo area light. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.